Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2021 Scout 177 Sport. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the shark gray hull color. Standard on all the Scouts, we have a white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. Pop-up cleat on the foredeck. Really large casting platform with a standard trolling motor panel up front. This boat is equipped with an optional Fusion Bluetooth stereo and includes 4 speakers, 2 in the bow and 2 back in the cockpit. We've got pop-up cleats on the midship as well. Forward seat in front of the console is standard and has a standard live well beneath with 3 rocket launchers on either side. You have a standard acrylic windshield, battery switch. Our batteries are located within the console. We have 2 cup holders, a charging port for your devices, along with a 12-volt plug. Digital gauges from Yamaha. Optional trim tabs with the LED indicators showing where the tabs are positioned. Standard steering wheel includes a steering knob and is on a tilt base. All of the helm seating is standard. And beneath is an igloo cooler and storage on both sides. Nice access to the bilge area back there. That cooler does remove, and there's also tackle storage just forward of that. Also optional is a fiberglass wedge to mount a power pole on the transom. 2-step telescoping boarding ladder, standard as well. We have hydraulic steering, also as an option. And the boat is powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. One last thing, up in the bow, we do have a nice storage area beneath the bow locker. Includes a mounting bracket for the nav light, anchor light, and a 5-gallon bucket. That is a look at Scout's 177 Sport. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 if you have any questions about this boat or any of our others. Thanks for watching.